Yorkshire Terriers. Yorkshire Terriers, commonly called Yorkies, are a very popular breed of toy dog that can make excellent companions. They are suitable for apartment living as they do not require a yard to get enough exercise. They do like a daily walk and they are good companions when you travel. The Yorkshire Terrier's origins. Not surprisingly, Yorkies were first bred in Yorkshire, England. Several types of terriers came to England from Scotland with their masters in the 1800s. They were brought along during the migration to Yorkshire and Lancashire, where work in the wool and cotton mills was available. The terriers were brought along to catch the rats that abounded in the mills. The fact that the breed was the result of a combination of the Paisley Terrier and the Skye Terrier is known for certain, although some believe that the Maltese was also introduced into the breed at that time. No proof of this has been found. Learn more about the Yorkshire Terrier at bestbreedsofdogs.com. bestbreedsofdogs.com, because loving paws deserve loving people.